My name is Benjamin Grass. Our rep firm is Zone Pacific Sales. Allow me to introduce Bang Olufsen architectural speakers by Origin Acoustics. These products are available from Shauna and the ZettaComm team as part of their installed home technology and audio system services. Our firm's worked with ZettaComm for almost a decade. Over this time, media technologies have changed dramatically, and the ZettaComm teams have mastered their designs and implementations right along with these changes. Their home system designs will meet and exceed your clients' needs today and for years to come. Now, you might not be familiar with Origin Acoustics. However, their design team has been responsible for many of the innovations that have become the foundations of the custom audio-video industry today. They developed the first fully flush-mounted in-wall speaker. They did that in 1976 in Riverside, California. They went on to be the biggest OEM manufacturers for all the other speaker companies who wanted to get involved in in-wall speakers and architectural speakers. In 2014, they reunited to invent, create, and form Origin Acoustics. They brought all kinds of new technologies to the market beyond what they had done before, including time-saving, toolless installation, better frequency response, less distortion, larger woofers in less space, and patented tweeters, all improving the aesthetics and the performance of the product. Placing speakers in the ceiling is often desirable. They're a lot less noticeable than freestanding speakers on the floor or others that are mounted on the wall. However, the inherent challenge is created because our ears take sound in from the front. They're not used to receiving them from directly above. Today we're going to discuss the significant features developed by Origin and Bang & Olufsen, which enables the ZettaComm team to focus the speaker's output toward the key listening positions in any space. These features substantially enhance the listening experience in two key ways. It allows them to remain discreet and out of sight, and it allows us to do a surround sound system with speakers in the ceilings and the walls that recreate the movie theater experience in your home. This 8-inch speaker model is the BOC86. It's got all the cool features that we'll talk about today. The first one is more bass with less space. The way you create more bass is you have a bigger low-frequency driver or woofer. Origin figured out how to mount it much deeper in the speaker baffle than everybody else. This allows them to have a very large driver with a smaller outside circumference. This is a big deal because bass is what you feel. It's what helps you enjoy the music. It makes you tap your feet and want to dance. It's really important. The next key feature is the multi-motion pivoting mid-range and tweeter. Note, this module can be focused simply by pressing and pointing the drivers to any place in the space. This way, you can be in a different location in the speaker and get all of the audio performance. A really significant feature. Now, you may not recognize this key innovation, which is the tone arm tweeter. This arm actually pins the tweeter in the center, and it prevents any distortion across the face of this tweeter driver from fully traveling across the speaker. This allows the speaker to play a wider range of frequencies, louder and clearer under a lot of power. That's when you're playing it loud. That's when you're tapping your feet. Another way that Origin's innovations allow loud and clear music without any distortion is the X-Wave Surround. The X-Wave Surround is an additional lip or ledge on the outside of the speaker driver that acts like the trough of an Olympic swimming pool. If any stray frequencies or distortion appears on the speaker cone, they can travel across the cone and disappear across the edge, just like a wave in a swimming pool. Reinforcing the aesthetic benefits of Bang & Olufsen industrial design are the Grille Options that they have for these speaker products. Bang & Olufsen products are meant to be seen and heard. all of the Bang & Olufsen speaker products come with this gorgeous Premier grill. This is a white metal grill with a gorgeous aluminum trim ring on the outside. It magnetically fits to the outside of the speaker to create an elegant look. This speaker grill is also available in a square model. So if lighting fixtures or other architectural elements in the space demand a square look, we can match that with a square grill as well. The pinnacle of Origin Acoustics aesthetic is the advanced grill. Note, this is machined from one piece of aluminum by craftsmen in Denmark. It truly exhibits the unique Bang & Olufsen look, attaches to the speaker magnetically, and will give you constant enjoyment in both visual and audio performance. These are the key features from the Bang & Olufsen product by Origin Acoustics. You can review the full line at www.originacoustics.com. More importantly, contact Sean and the ZettaComm team. They can talk with you about the details of these products, give you a demonstration, and ensure you have a fabulous design.